In this question, we're given a sample space that consists of families with 2 cars. In 30% of these families, the older car is manufactured in Europe, and in 60% of these families, the newer car is manufactured in Europe. In 15% of these families, both cars are manufactured in Europe. And we're asked, what's the probability that a family chosen at random from a sample space will not have any car manufactured in Europe? Now, before we can solve this problem, let's define some variables and write down the information that's provided for us. Well, let's define A as the families that have an old European car, and B as families having a new European car. Let's also define the probability of A, and that's given to us